2025 Lagos budget. Christened the budget of sustainability by the state government, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu presented the initial proposal to the Lagos State House of Assembly on the 21st of November 2024, with a total figure of 3.005 trillion naira. The budget is structured around 5 key pillars of infrastructure sustainability, economic diversification, social inclusion and human capital development, environmental sustainability, and good governance and institutional reforms. After deliberations and adjustments, the Lagos State House of Assembly approved a revised budget of 3.367 trillion naira on the 6th of January 2025, marking an increase of 362 billion naira from the initial proposal. Key projects include the ambitious Green Line Rail Project, a 68-kilometer rail line connecting Marina to the Lekki Free Trade Zone. Other priorities include investments in tourism, infrastructure, completion of road projects, and fostering economic growth through creative arts, agriculture, and industry. Over the years, Lagos State has steadily increased its budget to meet growing infrastructural and social development needs. In the year 2020, with a budget of 1.168 trillion naira, capital expenditure constituted 62%, with notable allocations to education at 108.3 billion naira, health at 97.262 billion, and security gulping 37.064 billion. In the year 2021, with a budget of 1.163 trillion naira, capital to recurrent ratio remained at 60/40, with increased funding for education at 146.9 billion and health with 106.087 billion. In the year 2022, the budget increased to 1.758 trillion, where capital expenditure rose to 66%, with strong focus on infrastructure gulping 199.95 billion naira and security at 70.716 billion. In the year 2023, with a budget of 1.768 trillion, health received 149.061 billion and security at 86.816 billion, though infrastructure spending dipped to 148.564 billion. In the year 2024, with a budgetary allocation of 2.26 trillion naira, capital expenditure accounted for 54.5%, with substantial allocations to education at 155 billion naira and health at 156 billion. The 3.37 trillion naira budget for 2025 represents a historic high, reflecting a 49% increase from 2024. Now, capital expenditure increased to 2.071 trillion, a 61.5% increase, while recurrent expenditure rose to 1.296 trillion, representing a 38.5% increase. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu emphasized that the budget of sustainability aims to drive economic growth through strategic investment in infrastructure, human capital, and key sectors. The governor is expected to give his final assent in the coming days. In Lagos, Sagir Ibrahim for News Central.